today's episode of Bob and Kathy Do Stuff, we're hiking the fiery furnace.
Yay.
So the plan is to go over into there in that maze of rocks and try not to get lost.
We will get lost. Everybody gets lost.
This is just to get down into the furnace. It's a scamper and crawl. And climb and squeeze and try not to hurt yourself.
It's quite a little drop right there.
There it is. Well, we made it down into the fiery furnace. At least the path to it. So it's kind of still off-roading, just without the Jeep.
Yes, it is.
Make sure you use 4 low.
4 low. Okay. That means all 4. Not quite 4 low material yet, honey. All right, we're starting the narrow.
No.
No?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. We just met our first dead end. I think this is our path, up and over the rock. Yeah, we're on the right path. That's our arrow. Craziness. Squeeze. We're headed that way. Some take the high road, some take the low road. Dead end number 2. We're gonna turn around and go back. You can do it. You can do it. Don't fall down. Nicely done. Way off in the distance is Balanced Rock. Right about there. What couldn't you imagine?
Doing this on a hot day. It's like 45, 50 degrees.
45 or 50.
Single layer on it,
And we're warm. That's the way we go.
Yep. We're going through there.
That is a nice boulder. I like that boulder. Being part billy goat is a requirement to do this trail. I'm going to say this again in another video in the future when we talk about this trip, but one thing you need to have you come out here, Onyx Maps. Download your maps for offline use, but get Onyx. All right, we're going in. We have to go down. Down, down, down. Down we go. Billy goat mode engaged. Oh, she found the steps. That's cheating. I thought you were just gonna climb down the slippery rock. I don't know if this is gonna turn out. Yeah, there it is. If you zoom in all the way, you can see. Pretty sure that might be balanced rock, right? It's a tower of some kind for sure.
Let's go way off.
Zoom way. There it is. Shh! Don't tell anybody. Kathy found another arrow. We're not lost yet. So if you look right there's the steps we came down a few minutes ago. We went all the way through all of that and then up to here. Now we're going that way. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Oh, there's that crust you're not supposed to step on. Well, we did it.
We made it.
Made it in and back out of the fiery furnace.
Yep.
We didn't explore every avenue in there, but we did see quite a bit of pretty amazing stuff. We'll come back and do it again sometime, and maybe next time we'll spend a few more hours in there just looking around, but we've got other things we want to see and do today, so yep, we're out.